ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be doing a total product overview of Clorple's 600-watt, 50 kPa, 65-minute runtime cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go. And it comes with several swappable heads for, different services. So we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. The first is we've got different types of floors, and we wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. The second is we've got kids who constantly make messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up, so we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog that is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, tile. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. By simply pressing this button here, it retracts back or protracts forward the brush head, which is good for removing dust from dusty surfaces and furniture. Then you have this extendable wand that by pressing on this button here either extends it or collapses it down so that it works as a handheld or as an actual upright vacuum. And finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, releases the dustbin door to empty it out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to both wash out and rinse. It also provides access to the filters. Then to access and then clean the filters, you simply remove the dustbin and then you yank out this little pull tab here to remove the filters. You'll take these parts, you'll run it underwater and rinse it off, let it air dry for like 24 hours and then simply insert them back into place, wedge them into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then pressing the trigger button, this little button here, it'll activate the Cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen to show you how much power you have and what mode of power you're using. And then if you press this little button here, it'll switch it from Eco mode to Turbo mode to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode. And a couple fun features is that on Eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And then what I'll do is I'll occasionally switch it to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs that have stuff like lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can and then you'll just press this little button here. It'll swing open the door, then just giving it a couple of pats and if necessary a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply just close the lid until it locks into place and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. You simply take this little knob here and you plug it into this little port found here. And if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate the LCD screen indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But then you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone for further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for the Turbo Boost mode and picking up lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out. Okay, so if you've gotten this far in my video, then I have a little blooper for you. Okay, so I just get finished, and then you see it? I thought my phone was gonna fall off my tripod and shatter into a million pieces.